Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the volume of the water in a tank is 600 cm3 and the tank leaks mean the water is coming out and it decreases to 200 cm3. Find the percentage decrease. Okay, percentage decrease, we are looking at this, so we will have to find the decrease first and also to divide by the original value times 100%. So let's present our work neatly. Okay, so the decrease, just need to minus away this, divide by the original times 100%, and this will give me 66.667%. This one is to 5 significant figures, 66.7% to 3 significant figures. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.